I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Today, we are building and playing with Lego. But before we begin, can you like and subscribe to our channel? Have you done it yet? Great work. Let's go! Oh, Lego. Today, we're building one of these cool mini sets from the 11021 90 Years of Play, a commemorative Lego classic set that celebrates 90 years of play. That includes 15 mini models of some of Lego's most iconic sets. And in this video, the mini model we're making is the wooden duck from 1932, the very first toy Lego made. Here we are, we're starting with the duck. So first of all, we need the navy blue and a bit of red, and a bit of green. And then this guy, which I think might be the beak. What noise does a duck make? Is that the one that goes moo? No, a duck doesn't moo. No, that's a pig. We're making a duck, not a pig. We might be adding the tail now. That might be the beak. Had it round the wrong way. Oh, it's starting to take shape. Duck shape. Oh, how cool. Their eyes. Which way should the eyes go? Forward and up we're going for. Like this. Quack. Quack. That's what a duck makes. It doesn't go or moo. A duck quacks. And then what are these extra pieces for? Oh, we need to add the legs. Oh, it looks like a little car duck. Wow. Duck for cover. Quack, quack. Quack. What a cute little duck. Aww. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. It is a duck car. How fun was that? Check out our other unbox and play videos through the link down below. And remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for heaps of fun, cool videos every week. This has been so much fun. Till next time.